Hi, Christy.
Hi.
Can you say hello to Norway?
Hello, Norway.
Can you tell us something of what you experienced on the meeting on Sunday?
Okay. On Sunday?
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Ang tayo mong na-experience pag Sunday sa
Okay,
meeting.
I experience na-experience na ko ang gabi kamayo sa Ginoo kay sa yung gikuan sa akong kinabuhi gay. Kanang nahil ko ni Lord. Kanang nakuan niya ang akong asthma even though nga dili pa siya fully kay napay mga sa tawa na plima gali napay mga plima sa akong area niya.
Okay, so she said that she experienced the goodness of the Lord, that she was healed by the Lord. She has asthma for like 7 years, but Sunday she's not really fully healed, but she really felt the healing that the Lord gave to her. So
Amen.
yeah, that's what she experienced.
Because kanang another day if I walk kanang layo gay kayo kay ma-feel na ko nga dili na ko ka ginhawa.
So for when she's suffering for asthma, she can't walk like this. Like she can walk for a mile, but now that she was healed, she can now climb here. She can now climb here.
I'm so very very thankful to the Lord because I feel so very happy now because it's kanang layo kaayo niya naka-rigid ko. I'm so very thankful to the Lord. Wala ko nagangos, wala gud ko giubak.
Yes. She said that she's very happy because the Lord healed her. That for a long time she can be here like this, but now she can go here without catching her breath, without any problem with her breath.
I'm
Yes,
so
that's
very
it.
happy.
And she's very
Amen.
happy.
Amen.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
Now we're ready for film showing very soon. So get ready.